At the shoes I wore! What is wrong with me? I did not.
Hello everyone and welcome to the vlog. Today is a very rainy day at Universal Studios and we're very excited.
They were playing E.T.
They were. We're all geared up in our rain clothes. Well, not exactly me. I'm just wearing a bucket cap. But yeah, I guess it's a bucket cap. It looks more like a safari hat, but I'm wearing it for the sense that it looks very Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a Jurassic Park patch if I can find one.
I have a weapon.
Sew it on. Sophia has a weapon. Oh!
Pick it up, throw it away.
Sophia!
I can
I got that on camera too.
I think there's a way to fix this.
There's gotta be a way. There's no way.
We didn't buy this from the Dollar Tree for nothing. There's a way to fix it, guys.
That was the umbrella.
Now we're doomed.
Say hi, girl.
Hi. Hello.
Say hi, Dad.
Konnichiwa.
And enjoy your visit.
Is it gonna start raining soon?
Just throw it away. It's toast.
There was no saving it. There is no saving it. It's so wet. So wet.
At the shoes I wore. What is wrong with me? I did not. Ellie, show me. No. Ellie, shimmy.
Go.
We run. We hide. Mist fragrance. I'm Derek.
This is so big.
Ellie, look at my poncho. It smells like a new slip and slide, bro. I thought I wasn't gonna get one. Cool. It smells like the pool tube thing.
Oh yeah.
Here, smell it. Doesn't that smell weird?
Yeah. It's okay. We got their
Ellie,
seat.
they're high quality. My shoes are so wet. Water comes out of them. Look at this. Java.
It's wet.
Yep.
To provide assistance. We can't emphasize strongly enough how important.
So we are now in line for the studio tour. And before we get on, I would like to introduce Ezza and Anaya and Miss Kalon.
Guys, we all have to say it. Look at how ravishing Anaya looks today and how Elle looks today. You guys,
And it's Anaya's 13th birthday.
I just pay for everything. That's why I'm here.
we get all the what's it called?
Perks.
Yeah.
Perks of being a daughter. Yep.
Say hi. Oh, are you?
Turn up your microphone. Dave.
Yeah, right.
Okay, no, he's fine. Dave, is that you, bud? Do you need help? Send us a sign. Alright, check.
We were on one of the Universal Glam trams for the 60th anniversary, and it was very interesting.
To Jurassic Park, but we still have our ponchos. Yes!
Heck yeah!
Thank you.
That's where we're going! We just decided.
After that, we just go on Transformers.
Turn the whole thing around. Ba 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 da da. Do 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 do.
Hold on.
Dude, you have to put this away.
Ellie.
Oh.
Ellie.
Your poncho ripped. Your poncho seriously ripped. Come on, faster, 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 faster.
The all-spark, the source of
We're on for the fourth time today. We're on for the fourth time today. It's just me and Shma. The girls are in a boat way up there. That freaked me out. To finally have you guys in a vlog. You too. Oh. Was this a good 13th birthday?
Yes.
Good.
I just drink my Starbucks.
at all times and attend children carefully.
He's so aesthetic. Oh.
Abnormal blood pressure, claustrophobia, or those prone to motion.
Okay, so we just broke down on Simpsons. So we're literally stuck on Simpsons.
We're in the air.
Yeah, we're in like a humongous sound stage right now.
Our cart wasn't. We're not allowed to video.
No, during the ride. The ride's over.
I need this.
Hold on, I'm gonna call my dad. Oh my god.
Thank you.
There. I'll show you the video when we get off. So they're actually gonna let us go again.
Yes, we got out after like 5 minutes, not 20.
No, yeah. We thought it was gonna take longer. Huh?
That was a really big room.
Yeah, it's huge. So we're going back on, and I can't record after this.
Ellie, do you have claustrophobia?
I have a fear of air ducts.
Look how scary this is. I feel like I'm in a creepy movie.
So we're getting off.
again.
Yeah, we got moved again. It didn't break down this time, but we got moved.
Hi guys.
I think it wasn't working before it even started.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. So yes, we are getting moved.
Again.
Well, technically not again, but
didn't
we're
she
getting
say-
moved, and we didn't even go through the ride for the second time.
Didn't she?
Okay, so the ride finally worked, and now we're telling our dad about everything that happened.
Oh, his eyes are moving. I never knew that.
Well, it broke down, we got off, they put us on again, and it stopped working, so then they had to move us.
Oh, nice. I'm almost like, let's get out of here and just get Little Caesar's pizza on the way home.
Well, can we go on one more ride? Can we go on Despicable Me?
Yeah.
Is that long though?
No.
Come on, let's go to, I'll go on to that ride.
Hey, what's up?
Universal is empty. Wait, ready? Wait, do you want to run with me? Go! No, they're just under refurbishment.
You guys want to practice wagging your tails? You in the middle. Are we gonna where were you at?
So we thought we were gonna do Sprinkle Me, but then we ended up doing Sprinkle Me.
Cardboard Home Depot boxes, everyone.
Yeah, we thought we were doing Sprinkle Me first, but we're gonna do Life of Pets first.
Y'all, did you just hear what that bunny said? He said, you in the back, I was in the back. So. It's true! He's actually talking to me this time. Well,
Wait. Wait, what?
It's a straight white family. It's a straight white family.
This lady literally just came up to me and she said, "Here, do you guys want this? Because we're leaving and we're not gonna use it. It's a front of a lion to the just blah."
It's gonna be great.
Come on, smile, Grill.
I hate smiling.
Look.
And enjoy your
Alright, so we are now out of the park. So good. And I'm gonna close out on the vlog. Say hi. Say bye.
Hi, bye.
Alright, so thank you all for watching. Please like this video if you liked it. Comment down below any thoughts on the video, and of course subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye.
It's been the five there.
Come on, your ankles were like... Ah! Wait, Dad! Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Shema!
the Universal Studios holiday. To assist you quickly entering the park, please place all belongings in the bin and proceed through the metal.
Wait, Ellie, catch!
Security.